As soon as you plug in your modem or your device on your computer or laptop, it will display or it will open this web page. Now, as you can see, this web page helps you to see if your SIM card or your device is working or not. At this stage is working, it shows you that it is connected, and it also shows you the name of the service provider there. In this case, it is Telkom. You can also see at the bottom there that you've got some numbers going up and down. If you look at these numbers, they change together with those bars there just to show that there is a network activity. But all this information which is here, it does not help us to know how much of data we have used and how much of data that we are still left with. Now, how do we go about doing that? Let's go to the next step. We are going to open a new tab and type in the name of the service provider. In this instance, it will be www.telkom.co.za. Your website or Telkom's website will look something like this. It will change now and then when they change their branding. You can see there that you've got a lot of other stuff that they're offering. But let's concentrate only on this top right part. You will see that you've got 3 items there. You've got shop, you've got help, you've got my Telkom. Now go and click my Telkom there. My Telkom will go 2 options. Ignore that register one. We are not going to register anything for now. Let's go to click at log in there. Once you log in, you are going to link to this website. This website will give you options to log in using the credentials. That is, if you have registered previously. You can also reset your credentials if you have forgotten. We are only going to use this part of this web page now. Go and click at the option that says login instantly with your SIM card. Once you click this, the computer will attempt to read what is in your SIM card. In other words, it will attempt to communicate with your 3G so that it can display the information which is on your SIM card. Now, once you click that, you are going to go to this next page. As you can see in this next page, you can see that you have got option for airtime if you have subscribed for airtime or bundles. In this instance, we are only interested in this part of the bundles. Yes, you do have other information like your name will display there and your cell phone number will display there. That is the one that you have been billed on. Now, if you look at the first option there, you will see that you've got included all the data. You go and look the value of the data which is there under available. The value of that data are the ones which are remaining on your SIM card. Now, if like for instance, in this case it is 0 because this is just a test SIM card. It means that I cannot be able to browse any other website except the Telkom or except the service provider or website. If you look at the bottom one, you will see that this is the night saver. This is the one that I will use at night. Once I'm using this one, it does not subtract from this one, but only at night. Now we also have the third options then, which is Wi-Fi data, which you use at hotspots which are provided by Telkom. So this means that where you see that there's Telkom hotspot, it will be subtracting from this one. So remember, all these options, if you are using these other options, it does not affect this one. If you are using this one, it does not affect this one. Thank you.